How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with the Everyday Home Repairs Help channel. Now, if you're working on a concrete project, whether it's inside your garage like this one that I was working on, or maybe outside on your driveway or sidewalk, often you're dealing with cracks that we're looking to seal with either a sealant or maybe an epoxy like I used here, but you have a lip that you need to smooth out. Now, this is approachable with the right type of tools, and it doesn't have to be that expensive. So let's jump into it and I'll show you exactly how I did that on this floor.
You want to step up to something like this where you have a diamond cup wheel, and that's going to grind and clean at the same time. Now that dust shroud will also come in very handy, where you can run your vacuum into it and try to do a little dust control, because as you're grinding off that surface and grinding off all that material, it's going to kick up a ton of dust. So here is what the finished product looks like, ground down, and what you're looking at is that you can swipe your hand across it and you don't feel that lip. It's smooth from side to side.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also if you have any questions, jump down in the comments and we'll be happy to jump in there and help you out on your own projects. And then I'll also list all the different links for the tools that we used on this project right below the video in the description. And if you want to see a lot more details on this prep job I did to get ready for an epoxy coating over this garage floor, check out this video right here. I'll walk you through the complete process. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.